Hey everybody, I got 3 fun packages in because I got gift cards for Christmas, and so I ordered some fun products from Scrapbook.com, Pretty Pink Posh, and Honeybee Stamps. Let's open up and take a look. All right, so this first one came from Pretty Pink Posh. I had a gift certificate for their store, and so I bought a stamp and die set. I just love these cutie patootie little foxes. Aren't they adorable? So there's 3 little foxes, and there's a whole bunch of little banner, and then it's a whole bunch of little stamps that you can place in the banner. So with that, and a little heart stamp, there's also a die cut set to go with each of the foxes, the banner and the heart, and then you can die cut it all out. I also, with my gift card, had enough left over to get these fun little pieces. This is a Starry Sky mix, and there's a ton in there. You could get solid colors. There are a whole bunch of little gems, but I'm in love with blue, so I had to get the blue one. So I love that they also sent me a little card, a little personalized note. Erin, thank you for the order. I just think that's so fun. And then a little postcard in here that talks about some fun things, some examples of how to use some of their stamps and dies, and then a little fun gift thing. So it's next order of 25, take 5 off your next order, which I think is so fun. So cool. I love it. So I'm going to be doing and using these on my card a week. Wednesday is card making day. So we have card making Wednesdays. And so, I'll be making at least 1 card with this cute stamp set, and possibly also a few with this cool little glittery set because it's just so adorable. So that was kind of my main focus when I used up all my things, because I know I'm going to be making a lot of cards on Wednesdays. So I focused in on fun cards that I could use, or supplies I could use on my cards throughout the year. And I went with something that wasn't super seasonal, therefore I could use it a few different times, because it has like happy birthday, you're the best, grateful, love you, miss you, lots of options there. All right, this next one came from Honeybee Stamps. I love it. Super cute packaging, by the way. Love the little sticker on the outside. And then on the inside, there was like more packaging. Isn't that cute? Kathy, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, Catherine's here right now. She wants to see what's going on. All right, I'm totally going to be keeping this bag because I just think it's so cute, and I might end up using this for something on a card later on. I mean, it's just an adorable bag. Love it. All right, so in here, packaging slip. They also gave me a little postcard, and this is something that you could use on a card. It says, "Thank you for your kindness," and you can color it. And on the back side, it talks about how you can, connect with them and thank you for your support and blah, blah, blah. Here, use this hashtag or tag us, that kind of stuff. And then it says, "Enjoy coloring" the back of the postcard. So it's kind of like I got a little freebie in here. For this one, I got a honeybee stamp set because, it just says honeybee stamps. I had to get something that had to do with bees. I just think it's so cute. Plus, I also picked this. This is a massive die set, stamp and die set. I mean, look at all the stamps in here, and look at all the dies that go with that. So not only am I getting words like sweet, and then there's a sweet that goes with it, and also honey. There's a honey. There's also a bee. There's the jar, the lid, the flowers, the hexagon, solid and open. So therefore, it can be worked both ways. There's leaves. I mean, this hat, there's high. Oh, there's a love in here too. So I got this particular stamp set because there was just so many options for this, and there was dies that went with that. I mean, down to the ribbon that is on there. That's what this piece is. So I figure I could get a lot of cards and a lot of different varieties. I could go with flowers. I could go with the bee motif. I could go with the jar. I can go with just using the words. Lots of fun things I can use with this. And then on top of that, I also picked up these cute little things. These are called tiny bubbles, basically just micro beads. And of course, I had to get them in blue colors. Do you see a theme happening yet? So, I love blue, so I kind of went with those, but they had a ton of different colors. I love these little things, and they weren't very expensive, but they're micro beads, and they have really pretty colors. This is aqua, and this is lagoon, so I just absolutely love it. And my last set of buys is from Scrapbook.com, and a couple of things I wanted to get. One, which is more white cardstock. I love the Nino white stock. This is a solar white cardstock. There's 25 sheets in here. You cut it in half, and you can get 2 A2 size cards. But I use this cardstock for just about everything, and I was getting really low, so I wanted to get myself some more, and the prices here are fantastic. So just a heads up on that. I also picked myself up a wafer thin metal die. This is the Nested Ovals. I didn't have oval dies. I had one oval die that looked more it was a single oval, but I loved I wanted different shapes. And so I picked up a nested oval die set because I always seemed to want to have ovals, and I never had them. So now I have it. I also picked up an embossing folder. I have like 4 embossing folders, and one of the ones I had kind of always wanted to use was the dots. And so I finally picked it up. I have some that are very specific, but I really wanted one that was just an easy texture, kind of like a generic, and dots it could work for a lot of different things. So I picked up the dot embossing folder. And then, because you know I'm going to be doing my cards a week, I picked up 3 Cutie Patootie stamp sets from Lawn Fawn. This one is a shark. I just think that's so fun. I have a hard time saying no to cutie stamps, you know, faces and cutie smiles, you know, all that cute stuff. It's adorable, and I like the fact that it's small, so I can definitely make 1 card with this, but I could probably get 2 to 3 cards out of this, you know, just kind of changing it up a little bit. So and there's little sayings in here. And then you can kind of have some fun. And obviously the die set that goes along with it, because I'm a sucker for a stamp and die set. I just think they're so cool. Here's one that's definitely Easter related, but I love the bunny shape, and I love that there was little fun things in here. I could totally use the bunny for another card and just take off the Hoppy Easter part. I could just use the Hoppy and maybe like Hoppy Birthday. So if I had a birthday stamp, I could morph it with other things because it's cute, and I didn't have to put the Eastery theme to it. So I figured I could get a couple of different variations out of that stamp and die set. And the last one this one says You're a Star, and it's a sea life one. I just think it's cute. A little octopus and a sea star, the dies to go with it, and then the little sentiments. And then there's some bubbles and an exclamation point, and I just thought these were cute. The You're a Star could also go for something else, like I could use it with a regular star stamp or a punch or something like that, but it definitely a few more cards that could go along with those ones. And they're just cute, right, Catherine? Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're adorable. I like them. Which one do you like better? Do you like the bunnies? I was trying to find a cute kitty cat one because you're cat, right? But I couldn't find one. Maybe one day I'll get it. So I just wanted to kind of get a few more fun little sets. I realized I kind of purged through and I didn't like a lot of my stamp sets. I've been kind of getting rid of them and passing them along. And so I picked up a few extra ones, and with the thought in mind of some fun cards I can make this year. That's right. Look at that. The blue does go with the shark, and even with this one too, right? Yeah. Oh, but it also goes with the sea creatures, right? So I could have some fun. And obviously I'm going to be getting into a little bit more of my coloring. So I'm going to be practicing more of my coloring skills, but on small scale. Nothing huge, just really small, kind of keeping it simple for when I'm just kind of getting into the coloring thing. So that's a little something I'm going to try and work on for me, is a little bit of coloring in my card making. But these would be super cute for ATCs as well. So yes, you can help me color. That would be so adorable. So there it is. This is my Christmas haul for this year. I love it. I got a whole bunch of new stamp and die sets. And truthfully, because I had a gift card, this is what I did to get a lot more bang out of my buck. I went into the sales section. I went into the what was clearance, what was sale, what is being discontinued, and I got a little bit more bang for my buck. I did not have any of these sets. I also made sure that I didn't replicate. So I got a fox set, didn't get any other foxes. I got one that was very, busy, lots of stuff going on, but it was bees, it was honey, it was flowers. It's the only set I got like that. And then when I got these ones, I only got one thematic set, which was an Easter one. I got one that was an under the sea, well, 2 under the seas, because I have the shark and I have that. So I kind of went a little bit, but I am a sucker for underwater stuff. That was my past life. I have a marine biology degree, and so I kind of tend to gravitate back towards that. But also, I limited myself to what was in the sales section, with the exception of the dies, because I really have been wanting oval dies for a long time. The paper, which was on sale anyway. Actually, both of these were on sale anyway. And then the embossing folder, but actually that was on sale too. So truly everything I got, and then like these little things, I had like an extra couple of dollars of my gift card after I bought the stamp and die set. So I filled it up with getting a couple other fun little doodads. So I really tried to push my gift cards to the most I possibly could by first hitting that sales section. We're going to make some cutie patootie cards this year, right? Yes. Woohoo! All right. So thanks so much. Supply links for these wonderful companies. These are small little companies. I love them. And also for the links at scrapbook.com are going to be listed down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get notifications of new videos, especially for my card making Wednesdays, which is what this is all geared towards. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye. Let's say bye-bye. Bye. Bye.